Yo guys, balik lagi di Gimana channel. So, hari ini kita bakal bikin vlog dan pastinya bareng Efor, David, Alex, Nathaniel, and Diego. And plus my husband, Basti. Aku bakal ngasih mereka untuk nyobain buah-buah eksotik Indonesia. Apa aja? Rahasia, supaya mereka ntar surprise. Okay, let's do this. Welcome the durian.
Welcome to chicken breast.
Let me see your expression, guys. It's a durian. Who knows it?
I know that.
Yeah?
I don't recognize this as a fruit.
I don't know that.
You don't know though.
It is, yeah.
Okay, let's get this over
Just
with.
give
Okay,
the... Okay, you want to do it with fingers, right? Who wants to start? Who will be the bravest one? Okay, Tiago.
I don't need to bite this.
You can. No.
Okay.
Just smell it. Do smell it. Just smell it. You like the smell?
It smells like rotten fruit.
It
Fish?
smells like rotten fruit. Yeah. I don't want to get this one. This is like that looks like poop. Okay.
Yeah, actually, yes.
Okay. Okay. Oh no.
Oh, this is gold.
When a peel poop. Yeah.
It looks like. Dude, look at that. Look at this.
Oh, I'm dying laughing.
Like.
Is it?
Yeah.
Don't play with it. Just try. Just have a bite. Come, you're the bravest one. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Oh, this is so much worse. Okay. 1,
2.
You don't have to eat the whole thing.
Just
Yeah.
No, but I think you should be the bravest one.
Oh. Oh.
It tastes like shit.
Don't say that now because he has it in his mouth.
I want to eat it.
Good character.
I love it, Alex. I love it. Please be on my side.
Should be the
With that mouth. He's struggling.
You want to spit it out?
Drink. I'm dying.
Yeah. No. Go for it.
Give me.
Go for it. Get this one, the poop.
Oh my.
Don't look at my fingers. I don't like do this.
It looks like the poop of a little like pool. You know the nails, like what the beetles, like they just eat milk, drink milk because they cannot.
Well, I should take
What?
it first.
It's
like a little cow. They only drink and eat milk, right? When they poop, it's like this.
Your life must be incredible to know that. So.
I know that because my grandfather has cattle. Yeah, they poop like this. It's like gross.
You're
You're
good.
making worse for everyone. So like saying that.
Eat it, Alex. You might like it. You might like it. Trust me. Be on my side.
I'll be the bravest one.
No. I almost puked from this. See, he didn't like. I like your face.
There we have the reaction, man. There it is.
Yeah, I did bad.
It's bad. It's just like
It's like garlic.
garlic.
And is it fruit?
I
No.
think.
Tastes like what?
But
So explain. Describe how does it.
I don't know how to describe
Like
it
cat
because
shit.
It's bad.
Say cat shit.
It's not something.
How do you know how that tastes? Like.
Have you tried cat shit?
Yeah, it's not something that I want to try.
So, Bess, it's your turn. Oh my god, I'm loving like hell.
For that. I love that. Actually, it feels like banana. Like it's super soft. But oh no, I know how that smells like. I think there is like some sort of French cheese, like it has a super strong smell, and it smells exactly like that.
Okay. No, it's cheese.
Actually, as a child, I love that cheese.
Maybe you love it now. Try it. Yeah, put it in your mouth.
Or you will eat it.
Yeah, like the worst delicious one. Yeah.
There's another.
That doesn't taste like cheese. You don't know if you should chew it or just
yeah, slow, yeah.
swallow it.
Swallow it.
That's what she said, but just.
That's really
Alright? That's why I drink water, I couldn't.
That's horrible. That's really horrible.
That's the worst one, I feel.
Okay. Wow. My turn.
It's your turn.
I love that man. That's so fucking Should we cut another slice? Like a fresh slice of that. Fresh slice.
I know the smell.
Oh, David looks so frustrated already.
I know the smell. I tried the durian candy before,
Oh, okay.
but I hate it.
Oh, there are different ones? Are there different?
No, the candy.
like,
The
the
candy
candy.
one.
It's
Why would
made
someone
from
do
that.
candy out of something that stinks like this?
Oh, well, Asian people loves it.
Like,
Come on, Asian people is like a big population. It's a big market.
Yeah, Taiwanese, they love to go to Southeast countries, traveling there, and like Thailand or Indonesia. They have lots of durian products. Every people, they always bring the durian hard candy bag as a gift.
Oh, I know the one that's
as a
really nice.
punishment or something.
As a punishment.
For me,
It's just like a means I hate you. That's why they give you the durian.
so I never tried durian
Nate,
before.
grab it, eat it.
Wow. I'm shaking.
I'm shaking too.
Wow, it's
Look the consistency.
I smell it now, man. Good.
Now the taste was
like brand tissue, soft. And wow, it's nightmare.
Yeah.
Oh, hooyah.
Oh, you know what it looks like when I'm sick?
Oh,
Don't say it! Don't say it!
oh.
I like your man.
It doesn't feel like catch.
Of course.
Yeah.
Oh,
You're brave. Well done, Nate. So, David, not the brute guy. It will be a
Brave.
big thing for you.
Both.
You will be the bravest one if you can swallow it.
What's like?
Looks skeptic.
What's left, man?
Just grab something.
You take the other one. Take maybe.
wow.
Not really. Is it a fruit?
It's a fruit.
No, not anymore.
Well, they call it stinky fruit though. Durian.
Yeah, for a reason, right?
Is it cheap?
It's kind of like really garlicky, whatever.
Yeah, right?
Garlic.
Like garlic.
Oh, it's garlic
I didn't
and
taste
tastes
any
easy.
garlic.
Yeah, because the garlic tastes
Have you
good.
tried garlic?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Yeah,
That
you
one
tried.
tastes
Like uncooked garlic.
yeah, it doesn't taste like garlic.
Like buy the garlic.
Really? Yeah.
David is okay.
That tastes like poop.
I feel like it's still in my mouth somehow.
Yeah.
Like it's
It's on my hands right now. Like I really don't like I'm like trying like to like not like hi.
So, thumbs? David? Yeah. It's a bad thing. Alright, thank you guys for being very brave trying this fruit. I know like a lot of orange people, they don't like durian. But you know what? It's one of my favorite food. So I hate all of you.
Well, we left it all for you. Go ahead.
You have like a chicken breast right
Okay,
there.
okay.
Don't worry about it.
I have to wash my hands, sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Everybody can go washing hands.
Bye bye.
Yeah, you can say bye bye. So.